Hello, my name is Svetlana Portnova. Today is your first Japanese lesson. Are you excited? Have your pen and notebook ready? And let's start! After the lesson, check by yourself whether you could do the can-do statements. はじめまして、スヴェトラナです。よろしくお願いします。始めましょう。おはようございます。おはようございます。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんばんは。こんばんは。You are going to listen to some dialogues. Choose the greeting you have heard.
1、
こんにちは。
ああ、こんにちは。2、おはようございます。
おはようございます。
3、
こんばんは。
ああ、こんばんは。4、おはよう。
おはよう。
These greetings are commonly used in daily conversations. Let's practice using them. If your friend is around, talk in pairs. ペアで話してください。Remember that おはようございます sounds more polite than おはよう。Both people are joining a local Japanese class and introducing themselves. Choose the names and nationalities of the people.
1、
はじめまして、トンです。タイから来ました。よろしくお願いします。
2、
はじめまして、ヤミンです。ミャンマーから来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
3、
はじめまして、私はマルシアです。ブラジルから来ました。よろしくお願いします。
4、
パクです。パク・ソンジンです。韓国から来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
Write your answers in the comment section down below. Have you figured out how to ask for the name and the name of the country? お名前は？お国は？ Where are you from? Find your country on this list or Google it. Let me introduce myself one more time. はじめまして、スヴェトラナです。トルコから来ました。よろしくお願いします。It's your turn. 言ってください。Please say it. When learning to speak Japanese, you'll come across suffixes used to address people called honorifics. Maybe you've heard some of them before. The primary factors that determine which honorifics you should use are age, familiarity, and social rank. The most common form of honorifics is san. You can use it with anyone you don't really know, regardless of their gender, age, or social status. The most formal honorific suffix is sama. It's used in very specific situations towards people who have a high status, such as these customers in the customer service industry. Chan is used to refer to young women, young clothes, children, babies, a grandmother, or even an animal you're especially fond of. Kun is the male equivalent of chan. It's used for children and between peers and friends. Are you ready to learn the basic model of a Japanese sentence? Here it is. 私はスヴェトラナです。私は教師です。さんは学生です。And this is the question sentence model. Answer my questions. 私はスヴェトラナですか？はい、スヴェトラナです。私は教師ですか？はい、教師です。さんは学生ですか？はい、学生です。さんは教師ですか？いいえ、学生です。Have you guessed how to say yes and no in Japanese? はい、いいえ。Let me introduce myself one more time. はじめまして、スヴェトラナです。私は教師です。トルコから来ました。よろしくお願いします。It's your turn. 言ってください。We move on to Japanese writing system. There are three types of writing system in Japanese. They called kanji, hiragana, and katakana. Kanji are Chinese characters that are best described as ideographs or written representations of ideas. Hiragana and katakana writings are phonetic letters. There are 46 letters of hiragana and 46 letters of katakana, both representing the same 46 sounds. That means each sound can be written in two ways, hiragana and katakana. Hiragana is used on its own or in conjunction with kanji to form words. Katakana is mainly used for words with foreign origins. There are 5 vowels in Japanese. Basic 46 hiragana katakana chart shows the 5 vowels and 41 combination of consonants and vowel sounds. Let's hear what they sound like.
あ、い、う、え、お、か、き、く、け、こ、さ、し、す、せ、そ、た、ち、つ、て、と、な、に、ぬ、ね、の、は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ、ま、み、む、め、も、や、ゆ、よ、ら、り、る、れ、ろ、わ、お、ん。
On the internet, Japanese is written horizontally, left to right, top to bottom, just like English. But traditionally, Japanese is written vertically, top to bottom, then right to left. What types of writing do you see in these titles? Let's learn how to write the first 5 characters of hiragana, a, I, U, E, O. Pause the video and write these characters. Please read. Great. Are you ready to learn 5 more characters? Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Please read. Great. And at the end of the lesson, I would like to teach you the phrase the Japanese use to say goodbye. Please listen.
1、
じゃあまた。
じゃあまた。2、じゃあまた。
失礼します。
3、
お先に失礼します。
あ、お疲れ様でした。
お疲れ様。4、
じゃあまた。おやすみ。
おやすみなさい。
Talk in pairs. Note that some phrases sound formal or are mostly used at work. And that's all for now. Look at what you can do already. Do self-evaluation and don't forget about your homework. Please feel free to contact me for information about one-on-one lessons. お疲れ様でした。See you soon!